Okay, so this is a 1955 Chevrolet that had come into the shop today from another guy's shop. He went back and recovered it, and he asked us to go over it and find the things that they didn't fix. And so today, Evan, who's been inspecting the car, is going to go over with you the things that he's found so far in about the hour that we've had the car in the shop. And there's some pretty wild things in this car, so we thought it'd be a fun video for everybody to watch.
So first we found some wiring issues. Like as soon as you hook the battery up, all the smoke came out of the wire. For the front, they had we'll lower the car down and show you, but we had what should have been a voltage regulator they had wired to the horn relay. So as soon as the key came on, it shorted everything out and burned up some wiring. Actually got really lucky. It's not that big a deal. But yeah, a few things on this car. The exhaust is an absolute work of art. Like there's probably 200 welds on each side. And it's all different size sections of different lengths and various sizes and pie cuts, and pretty sure it's all torch welded. And it's actually quite impressive to do that amount of labor for such a bad result. Transmission cross member looks like my dad would have made it. It's made out of a piece of it's made out of a piece of 4-inch C-channel that's plenty strong. Some other shop put some floor pan patches in it. They did not seam seal any of it, and they did some more wonderful welding. Yeah, just get a good view of the exhaust. It's really impressive. Yeah, different sizes.
How many welds you say you counted between there and there?
From right here to right here was 29 welds in just that section.
There's probably, what do you think, 100 hours in that exhaust?
At least.
At least 100
Has to
hours
be.
in that exhaust?
Of just welding. But other than that, the car's pretty solid. We found some minor details. There's a couple bolts missing.
Missing a bolt for the body
cab mount. There's
and show these plug nuts on the wheels.
Oh yeah, some safety issues. There's plug nuts on the wheels. They're held on by like 3 threads a piece, which is not great.
All the way around.
Yeah, on all 4 wheels. Yeah, the main deal was getting it running, figuring out what was wrong with the wiring, which didn't take very long. It's got some carburetor issues. Pretty sure it's been sitting. Accelerator pump is not working.
A really cool car.
So I disassembled some of this harness to get it where the wiring had burned up. And this all should have went, this is the power wire to the horn. And the way they had it wired is to the ground right here. But it came from the voltage regulator, so as soon as you turn the key on, it triggered the horn relay, which sent power straight to ground and proceeded to
fry the wire.
To turn on the check wire light. Literally, it turned red instantly. A few other things we're going to do on the car: carburetor, tune up, plugs, wires, cap rotor, fix a couple of leaks. That should be about it.
He'd had this car in the garage for a long time, and had been talking to them back and forth about repairs and couldn't get any results from him. I won't say what he said about the guy, but it did not turn out well, and they got the car back and brought it over here, and he talked about that wasn't the first time that had happened to him. So one of the reasons to make this video is to talk a little bit about, make sure wherever you're taking your car to, you've checked them out. Know that they're reputable. Know that they've worked on somebody else's car before they've worked on yours, and they know what they're doing. There are a lot of great shade tree mechanics out there, but there's a whole lot of bad ones too. So be cautious. Make sure you ask the right questions. Make sure they know something about auto mechanics before you mess with it.